You can become a car guard at home now.
You can become a petro attendant.
Petro attendant.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and also welcome to my Down Under Diaries series. I do not even know what episode we are on anymore because the way I'm filming these is like very much filming everything and seeing what I'm going to put in together in one video. But anyways, welcome to this episode. We are about, what's the date today? About a week. No, we're probably about 2 weeks into this trip. Can you believe it? The time is absolutely flying. Yeah, I'm currently at some other family of mine. This past few days, this past weekend-ish, I've been visiting other family, been seeing other sides of Brisbane, which was so much fun. But the weather was also terrible, so there were a lot of times where we couldn't do much because a lot of the activities in Brisbane are outdoors and it was absolutely pouring with rain. But it was still a blast. I had a great time. So yeah, today we are going to the Sunshine Coast. Luckily the sun is shining, so it's going to be fun. And we're going to visit some old friends of ours and just explore around that area. So I'm quite excited to head back up there again. We have been there before, but yeah, it was such a great experience. I loved it up there. So hopefully we see some new things and have lots of fun. So let's just get straight into the video.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I
So once we got to the Sunshine Coast, we met up with our friends and headed on their boat onto the Marucci River. It was absolutely beautiful. The water was so clear and there's all these little island stretches that you go along. So that was super fun and the weather was lovely. I was obviously, as always, getting sunburned.
baby, I don't really care what this is. 'Cause I've been feeling all this lately. Kinda wishing that a heart just didn't exist. I've been picking up the pieces of the things that you do.
We did hit a few bumpy spots, as you can see over there. I am literally hanging on for my dear life. The seat I was sitting on didn't have any sort of cushioning, so my butt was hurting, to say the least. But yeah, then we stopped off at a little island on our way back, and just looked around there. The sand is so soft, it is literally squeaky. We call it squeaky sand. And yeah, then we headed back on the boat and had dinner at our friends. This is a view from our hotel room. It's quite nice. There's the airport over there. Our usual
It's giving good times to cans. Yeah, I got a small one today though. I kept myself together. Yeah.
Just before that, we quickly headed to the beach just to see what was there, I guess, and had our usual slushy.
Stunning. The sky is so pretty. Aloha. It is day 2 of our little Sunshine Coast trippy. Yesterday was quite fun. We got here and then we went to the beach and had a little boat ride and then met up with our friends. Sorry if it's loud, I'm sitting outside and I don't have my microphone for once. I forgot it in the car, but anyways. So yeah, today we're checking out of our hotel and then we're gonna go to the beach. And then we should be taking like a scenic drive around Mullaney, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so let's see what we get up to today.
Once again, we hit the beach for a little morning walk, and then we hit the road. The views were absolutely lovely on this day. We went along a bunch of mountain passes and it was so green, it was giving Sound of Music vibes, with the cows on the hill. And there's a bunch of little towns on the way there, and it seems like they're just stuck back in time, like it looks like an old western movie. Then we got to this spot that looks out on the Glasshouse Mountains. It also just has a little rainforest walk and like a little information center. So we walked through the information center and it showed all the plants and the animals that are in the forest, or the rainforest. And after that we had a walk through the rainforest, and as we were going in there was a sign that told us beware of the leeches on the ground, which was absolutely great news because we were wearing flip-flops, but we did it anyways and it was really fun. This is like a little instrument that when you hit the frog, it makes the different frog noises. We were having lots of fun. It was a great time.
It's a little lizard. Stick.
Anyway, so we headed into the rainforest. It was absolutely beautiful. Those trees are so massive and so majestic. It feels like something from a Jurassic Park movie.
Yeah. Aww. It's a love story.
We also saw this little kangaroo wallaby kind of creature. They call it a paggy melon, I think. It's so cute.
And yeah, we were really close by to it, but it moves so fast. So yeah, there's a little video of him. He's so cute. I want one. Anyways, after our rainforest excursion, we finally actually headed to Mullaney itself. We had several stops along the way, and Mullaney basically just has a bunch of little stores, I think like boutique stores, like clothing shops and chocolate shops and stuff like that. We went on another walk, found a lizard and a lot of bats, which was so creepy. They're actually flying foxes, but I've never seen that many, and I was so scared they were gonna like poop on my head. So we headed out of there pretty quickly into the actual village part, which had the stores, and I bought myself some chocolates, as I should. This works. Oh.
Is it pumping? Oh, it is.
It is, yeah.
It's pumping. It's pumping.
Let's hope it's the right one.
Really good.
You really? You can become a car guard at home now.
Can become a picture attendant.
Picture attendant. But yeah, that was the end of this Down Under Diaries video. I hope you enjoyed it. It certainly was a fun day with beautiful weather and stunning views. I mean, these mountains are just crazy. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more of these videos coming up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye!